Hello there, my name is Christine Muthoni and I come from Nairobi, Kenya, and I am an applicant of United People Global. Why did I apply for this opportunity? One of the drives that I have as a young person is to see change in my community. So I come from a diverse community with different people, and I work and volunteer with organizations that work mainly in slums areas. And one of the main things that I have always asked myself as I grew up was, why are slums the way they are? Yet we have so many organizations in the slums. So I was able to volunteer with Footprints for Change, a community-based organization in Nairobi, Mathare slums. And one of the main things that really drove me to this organization was what the main values were. It was to change one mind, one heart at a time, which is one thing that most of the organization don't focus on, because we have to change the narratives that we have in the slums. We have to change the narratives of people so that they can be able to adapt to the new narratives. Because if you believe that the slums are good the way they are, it's because that is the narrative that you grew up with. But if we change, we can change these places. We can change them to look good. We can change them to spaces that are safe spaces, free from rape, free from gender-based violence, safe spaces for everyone to stay. That is me, and that is what I believe in. Thank you.